So let's talk about it. So you come to Miami. What part?
I lived in Miami Gardens
Okay,
by
yeah.
Carroll City.
Oh wow.
I lived in an efficiency with my family. We're a family of 4. We're living in a 1-bedroom efficiency. I believe it was maybe like I have the worst memory, so
Yeah.
but I believe it was like a year or 2 years after we were able to go and move into a trailer.
Sure.
We lived in a trailer park for many years. I mean, that's where I went to the rest of my elementary, middle school, and then finally we were able to buy after years, a small home where we originally were living in the efficiency down the block.
Wow.
So yeah, that was that.
Wow. Wow. Did you have dreams, big dreams at that time?
I did, man. I used to go to different schools just because I wanted to be surrounded by different demographic of kids.
So you're young, but you know that you have to do that.
Oh yeah. My mom, I told my mom, I was like, I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we need to find a different address so I can go to the good school because I don't want to go to the bad school because I know in the bad school, I always had the hunger to grow. You know, I was never in the streets. I was never I was in my house all the time. Like I was a homebody, right? But I always had the hunger to grow. So I remember telling my mom, I was like, we had to find an address and I have to go to a good school. Like I don't want nothing crazy going on. So I remember finding that address and then going to a different school. So the bus used to drop me off kind of close to my house, but not really. So then I will have to walk the rest to my trailer park. And I remember the kids at school used to be like, why do you
Get into the bus to
yeah
walk.
why do you go over there?
Yeah.
Like that's the trailer park? I'm like, no, that over there, no, that's where I have to go because my mom picks me. I was so embarrassed to say that I lived in the trailer park. Because I remember when I told someone at school that I lived in a trailer park, they were like, you live in that's not even a home. That's like a fake house. Like, you don't even have walls. I remember that. And I was like, damn, no, I do. It makes a little noise when it rains.
Sure.
But it was as real as it got. It was all we were able to afford. And I was grateful. I was grateful for it.
Gratitude.
Yeah.
So